Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about another video about the English speaking. Before starting this video, I want to talk about the last video because that was also a very important topic. It was about like when you understand the English, okay? When you understand the communication, when you understand what is speaking in the video, everything. But when it comes to speak to you, you get in the trouble. It gets like you get panic or sometimes your mind goes blank. So that video is for you, okay? If you are just facing that issue, and if you have not watched that video, so go and watch it right now. I'm sharing the link in the description. Okay, so now I'm going to start the today video. The topic is about when you understand the English but you are getting everything in the writing form. When you know that how you can write everything in English, when it comes to writing, you know everything, you know how to express your views, how your feelings and everything. But when it comes to speaking, you just got blank or you're not able to speak, but you are good in the writing. So today we are going to learn that how you can learn speaking from the writing only, okay? So that we can take the base as the writing and you can learn the speaking from that. See, first thing we have to understand that writing and speaking both are different. In the writing, you have the time, you can think, you can plan the sentence. Even if you cannot make the whole sentence at once, first you can make half, then you can make another half. But in the speaking, it's not so now. We have to speak very quick. The person who is just, we are doing a conversation, we have to give the response very fast. We have to speak very fast, very fluent, in a correct way, the sentence formation, the feedback, everything. Our mind should be very running up in that, right? So how we can do that? See, that first thing we have to understand, it's not possible overnight. We have to practice, it will come gradually, okay? So these ways what I'm telling you, that you need to practice. At least I can say for a month, or at least if you cannot give a month, give 20 days, but do it regular, okay? If you can write anything, just take any topic. For example, if I say global warming, you are writing about that. Just after that, check if you have written correct, everything is correct, sentence formation and everything. And yeah, one more thing, if you want to check it through, you can check from Grammarly. It's a best app that can correct your sentences with the grammar and with the sentence formation too. You can check from that. Now, what you can do after that when you're done with the writing, just to speak it loud, okay? When I say in any video you have to speak it loud, it's just doesn't mean that you have to speak in the normal way. Loud means loud. Your pitch should be loud from the normal voice. It's not like that shouting. But why I used to say this, because when you are going to learn it, when you're going to be fluent, of course you can slow your pitch, but for the meantime when you are learning, you just make it higher, because that gives you confident level, and moreover it helps to help our muscles to practice with the English speaking, because sometimes we are in a habit of saying our native language, right? But this English helps us with that, okay? That is why. Now, second thing what you can do, whatever you have written, just try to make the summary of that. Try to think what you have written. You should know that in the brief. If somebody is talking about that, what you wrote, can you please tell me about that? So you should tell that thing in short, okay? Tell in your words, think in your words, okay? Try to do that. What else you can do, whatever you have written, you can explain this thing to your partner, to your friend or anybody. If you do not have anybody, what you can do, you can just try to explain yourself, okay? Because you know we are the best ones who can help ourselves. Nobody can help us the way we can, okay? So that is what we should help ourselves, support ourselves when we need. What we can do, like whatever you have written, just go in front of the mirror and speak. You can just help with the body language and the expressions and everything. If it's not comfortable, still you can use the audio clip, or recording the video, or like you are sitting and you can conversate in your mind also sometimes. And you know, this is also actually a good idea for also, not only for this, for also conversation also. Like when you are hearing any conversation now from anywhere, okay, just try to recall these things in your mind and in the English only. Don't try one thing, okay? Just in the starting, I know sometimes we try to translate from Hindi to English, or from our any native language to English, but don't just keep a habit of that, because you know when you're going to do a conversation now, if it becomes a habit, it takes a lot of time, because when the person is speaking, you are getting that in your mind and you are translating your word. You can understand what I want to say. It will take time now and it will not look good also, huh? So try to use that, you should just directly think in the English. Okay. And moreover, I think this is also the another video that I should make on that, how we can think in English, and I will try to make on this one, the next one, or maybe the before ones. Okay. And moreover, at the end, thank you so much for supporting me, guys, because I know I'm not like not being consistent because of something, some works and all, but still you guys are supporting me, and I'm always there for you. Whatever you need help with and whatever feedbacks you want to give, please tell me in the comment section if you like the today's video, and just give more and more topics on what we can make the video more. And if any way I can help you, please let me know. And thank you. This is about the today's video. Bye. See you in the next video.